Hello there, my name is Jenny Crowe. I work in the Centre for Academic Practice and Learning Development at the University of the West of Scotland. My role is I'm an e-learning developer. CapLid performs a support function, enhancing the student learning experience. My particular role involves advising and supporting staff using technology for learning, teaching and assessment. The project is called the Learning Journey Map. It was designed by Dr. James Findlay from the School of Engineering here at UWS. James teaches on engineering mechanics. James decided that it would be great if students could have a more personal, tailored learning experience so they could learn at their own pace. He also wanted to improve the retention progression from level 7 to level 8. Part of engineering mechanics involves quite a lot of calculations, problems, graphs, and these are often handwritten, so it's more difficult to record these on a computer. So this was really the idea behind his project. James made a very detailed plan, including all the different learning resources that he wanted to have for the module. He had an idea of recording the videos on his iPhone in his office. I worked with James to really tweak the videos and so that they would be of the best possible quality. Some of the things we looked at was making sure that the paper was nice and big, so A3 worked the best, and having a really chunky pen so it was easily picked up by the video. I also talked him through some of the issues around copyright and what he could and couldn't use from the textbook, and then asking permission from the publisher. We also then embedded the videos on Moodle via the Helix server. We also kind of worked at different qualities of smartphone. The idea behind the project was that students could actually access the videos via their smartphones. They could catch up on things they'd missed in class and use the videos for revision purposes. Some subjects it's not always possible to use lecture capture software similar to Camtasia Relay, as like engineering mechanics involves a lot of written graphs, explanations and calculations that are often handwritten. So it seemed to be that this solution was quite suitable. It also meant that these could be recorded and viewed at a later date, potentially used for next year. And James also found that he really wanted to provide some explanation and commentary to complex problems, and he thought that this would really help with the retention and progression from level 7 to level 8. Okay, so success in this project. The main goal of the project was retention and progression. As you can understand, that's quite difficult to measure at this stage, as it was really aiming for students to have a better transition between level 7 and level 8. However, students did engage with the videos and the podcasts and the learning journey map, so that was great, but obviously that can be improved in the future. There have been a number of impacts on other staff members. It's been really great to have some examples to show other tutors in different subject areas what is possible with video and podcasting, particularly in areas like physics, maths, economics and of course engineering, of what can be done when you're teaching with graphs and equations and more handwritten type examples. So it's been really positive to be able to show those about to other colleagues in the university. The next steps for these projects is we'd like to develop a few more alternative formats for accessibility, and also James would really like to develop some more videos because he didn't get a chance to develop all the videos that he wanted to in the time he had allocated.